So in this video I would like to demonstrate some of the XPath functions. For that reason we have this XML file. We copied it in freeformatter.com and we need to give the XPath expression. So this is going to be a bit complex XPath functions to get a deep understanding of XPath. So first one is string length. This will, as you can see, it will just give the length of the string, but we need to get a string first. So let's say we are students and a student, and we say we want to get the first one, like there is 3 student elements here and they all have their own child element, so we want to get the first one, student 1. This is the filtering, and then we want to get the name. So this name string will be in the string length, and it should give us a length of the string, which is 5, right? Let's try it out, and as you can see, it's given 5. Then we can use this stringlet for other kind of filterings like student, and for filtering we use this parentheses and then string length and name. So now it's gonna look for all these name tags. For example, this is 5, this is 4, and this is again 5. Let's say we want to get bigger than 4, so it should return Maya and Sina. So for that we say okay, should be bigger than 4, and let's say what's gonna be the solution. As you can see, it returned 2 elements, student 1, student 3. Yeah, this is the student string length function. There is also another function which is count. You can count how many nodes occurs in XML. For example, let's say we want to know how many nodes, how many students nodes we have. So for that reason, we should say count anywhere student. It should give us 3, right? First one, second one, and third one. Yeah, it returned a 3 as expected. And now we can use count with condition. Let's say count student nodes which have semester 2, let's say. Sorry, we don't need the code actually, my mistake, and code is going to be needed for strings. So now it's 2, we have 2 nodes, so we should get a 2 again, or like let's say 3, and we would get no match or 0. Yeah, because it counts and it never encounters with anyone, so it's not. So let's go on with sum. Sum is also an important function. You can add the number from multiple nodes, like sum student, let's say their ECTS. So it should count all the ECTS from all these nodes, and it should give us 83, and you can check it out. Or we can also add some condition and make it a bit more complex by saying, okay, just add them up when the semester for students 2 is. Let's have a look. We have here 1 and here 1, so 58 should be back as it's seen. Yeah, that works as well. So we go over count, sum, and we go over string length. Now we have the last one, It's not the last one, but the name for the function is last. So you say student, for example, last inside. This is filtering and should give you the really last one back, as you can see. Or you can also do something like that. Last after the last one, going to be the middle one in this example. I don't know if you can do this like the get first one. Yeah, you can also do this. So you can actually use mathematical operations with the function. As I said, that wasn't the last one. We have another one, which is the position. For that reason, we are using again student node and say, okay, I need the one with the position, let's say 2. Position 2 will be like this is the position 1, position 2, and position 3. So we should get this one, second one, as you can see. They all worked out fine, and of course you can make some mathematical operations with this again. For example, students in odd positions, like the first one, third one, so on, where mod 2 is equal to 1 would give the odd positions. So first one and third one we should see now. Exactly. So I guess that's it. That's the most important functions in XPath. Thank you for listening.